guys, welcome back to the channel. We're making part 2. Going back. I know it's the same one that I showed you guys earlier. And then here you guys. I don't know if you guys are commenting or other things. I want to see you guys to comment, every subscriber. So what do you want to see? Why are you looking backwards?
You comment.
You want to be hearing them. You would be hearing them.
I have military hearing. I don't hear anything.
I can hear. If you can't hear, then I can't hear. If I can hear, you can hear.
Try being next to boom boom sticks. Number 12 here. You'll be hearing really quick.
Holy cow, look at that tree. My legs are getting tired. Give you a warning, don't act like Steven. He had a swarm of bees. And, yeah, he called the pest control. And, he had to take a picture of it. He had to run in his pool because apparently bees were attacking him. You should have saw her like right here. It was red, swollen up. His cameraman is allergic, highly allergic to bees. So he had a great idea to go in the pool to be safe. You know, bees will be waiting there.
Yeah, probably.
And then, ow, you go underwater.
Ah! It's fine.
I really hate woods. There are a whole bunch of bees. Why are bees following me?
Maybe we have this.
Oh wow. I'm gonna walk far from you. What? I don't even know why we brought it in the first place.
I don't know. You want to grab it.
Well, I didn't know I was gonna do this.
No, we can turn around and go back. Come on.
Okay, Mom, could you take the phone? I don't even know why. Why would? Because that beast didn't like woods.
They live in the woods.
Now you can talk to them.
What up, everybody? On our way back.
This is part 2.
Mr. Lynn is working on rebuilding the laptop that crashed. You have to get all new parts for it. It was already refurbished when we bought it, so it was almost like a project PC anyways. But look at that. Isn't that the most beautiful view you've ever seen in your life? And we live in it. Well, not here, but we live out in the woods. Working on purchasing property to build on, go off grid, the fun stuff. So here, you carry that for a while.
I'm not going to swallow want bees? I'm dead right now. I had that thing. Bees do not like me. If I even hold anything or eat anything that's honey made, I'm dead. I'll be dead.
Alright.
Start wearing those shoes, not flip-flops.
I wear shoes when I go hiking. I wear flip-flops when I'm just running around everywhere. It's so much fun. But should be almost back to the trail now. So, put down in the comments what you guys like to do in your spare time and for like hobbies and stuff. Len here likes to be anything outdoors. He does play Roblox with me from time to time. So, on rainy days. But no, from here on out, we're going to try and put out a video a week. Once I get a good program to edit everything, then we'll be putting out better videos. Once we can afford a camera, we'll get a camera. So if you guys have any, like, camera ideas or like ones that you've heard of that are really good, put them down in the comments. And the most popular one is the one we'll buy, right?
Yep.
So,
Because my last camera, they got lost.
and if you go down that way farther, there's on the side of the hill, there is a sled riding hill for wintertime.
Well, that's closed.
Well, yeah, there's no snow on the ground.
Unless they put a slip and slide on it and put...
I mean, they could do that, but by the time you get to the bottom, you'd be going 100 miles an hour and just skip across the lake.
Good luck with me trying to get up. I'll be smacked in the ice.
So, but no, we're going to try and do a video a week. One of the wintertime videos we're going to be doing is we're renting a yurt here at Chapman State Park. Like, the park stays open all year round. It doesn't close down through the seasons. It just stays open.
Forever.
The swimming area, depending, they do polar plunges in it, I believe. But you will never catch me doing a polar plunge. Not my forte. I do not like cold, and I live in one of the coldest states in the wintertime. So, but no, we try to get out as much as possible. The last week we haven't been able to because between the smoke coming down from Canada, the storms that rolled through, and the chillier weather, we pretty much hunkered down inside. Actually, we were here at Chapman swimming the day that the smoke arrived in Warren County. So, yeah. One of those. We're gonna try to go camping. Just haven't had the time between trying to buy the property and keep this channel going as much as possible when we can film. It's just, life got busy for about a month. That and doing the float in the 4th of July parade for our church. So, yeah, life's been busy. And then in about a month, Mr. Glenn up there starts 3rd grade. So, growing up way too fast. But, yeah, we're gonna, if I can, I want to try and do the videos on, like, Fridays, like, video drops on Fridays. Especially when I start editing in them. Okay, here we go. Back across the shaky bridge. Do you want to take them across, or do you want me to take them across?
Well, I did last time, so it's your turn.
Okay. Now here is the bridge.
Well, these lines look like a power line, and
They're just steel cables holding it up.
shake it.
Stop.
Okay.
Really shaking it enough when we walk across. So here we go.
Show them these things.
I'm pretty sure they can see them.
But look.
Yep.
It looks
There's
like.
the water.
Oh, jeez. It looks like you're going on a car bridge.
Yep. And up we go. And that's Lynn's favorite bridge. New shoes, rubbing on the heels. Should have put duct tape on the back of my heels.
Why?
Keeps it from rubbing more.
You don't have heels.
These are your heels. The back of your foot.
Why do you don't want them rubbing?
It hurts. Till I break them in. Yeah.
We're going to show you guys
See the train.
We're going to show you guys the beach.
Well, maybe on another day.
No, we can do it today.
Lynn, this really hurts. Okay.
We can drive to the beach. Oh, I just like walking. I just really want to swim, Mom.
Yeah, it's not warm enough. Yeah, I got blisters. That's why it hurts. You go like this. There we go.
What are blisters?
Where your foot rubs so much it just creates a skin bubble full of fluid.
Why are you not wearing socks?
I was. They were the ones that covered the bottom of my feet, but they fell off.
Let me tell you, how did they fall off when you just got them?
Because these are like super tight shoes. Like they grip your foot because they're made for hiking. Well, next time I'll know better. I'll wear some ankle socks. I don't like wearing socks, so I usually get the ones that like people wear when they wear flats. Because then it makes it feel like you're not wearing socks. But these shoes do not like those socks. But it's fine. It's not the first time I've got blisters. Look at that.
I should get a stretch out camera. I go like it.
A selfie stick.
Stretch out camera.
Yeah. Well, for a phone, it's a selfie stick.
No, for a camera.
Yeah, for a camera, it's like
A camera that is connected.
it's a tripod.
Yeah, I can use it every time I'm gonna make videos. And then they can see the woods too. Yeah. Well, let's walk across the bridge and see what's over there.
Oh, here's another bridge. It's out there.
It's not even wobbly.
That's because it's just a bridge. Oh, Lord, a hill.
I didn't know it, so.
This is a nature trail. It doesn't go very far.
So I'll just loop around to the other one. Only loops to the. Only loops up to the parking lot. Right?
Probably.
Okay, these are starting to attack me. I'm gonna turn around.
There's no bees up here. You're fine.
I just want my base when they attack me.
They're not attacking you. They're curious. Just keep moving. You know what? Let's turn around. I don't feel like figuring out how long this trail goes. At least not today.
We do it in the winter, we don't have to worry about bees.
In the wintertime, we can just use a snowmobile.
We don't have to worry about bees.
Mr. Lin brought his drink along, finished it off, and then realized we had to carry the cup out of the woods because what? We don't litter. And he's like, why did we bring this? I'm like, you're the one that brought it. I was going to leave it in the car till we got back.
That one's so tasty.
It was very tasty. It was a peach, blue raspberry frozen lemonade.
There's a parking meter up there. Okay. I think people are going up for a hike.
Probably checking on everybody, make sure everybody's doing what they're supposed to be doing.
Yeah, they're going on a hike. Might want to move to the side.
Yep.
Move to the side. I'm just gonna wait right here.
Keep walking.
Okay. Okay, we're good.
So.
Oh, here comes the hill. Try going up the hill. Try going up the hill. And we.
And there we go. Whew. That was a hike.
Really big hike. I hope they don't. I think they're gonna go on the Wally Bridge.
Probably. Everybody goes to the Wobbly Bridge.
Cause it's so fun.
Yeah.
Stop itching. Smack it. Don't itch. Smack it. It's
Well, that's an alternative to itching it.
Oh, how I'm itching. It's so itchy today. How are you not even itching?
I don't know. 'Cause I'm not. Oh, there's Ranger Mike.
How did you know?
He works like every day. Seems like it anyways. Hikey, hike, hike, hike.
Okay, we got a car coming. Never mind. I'm gonna go to the park.
No, that's for campers.
Okay.
Huh? Where's that? Freaking blister.
Won't start wearing socks.
I do have them. They're up by my toes. It's not gonna stop every time they fall off.
Okay.
And over the side.
Oh, here comes the car. Can you look at those things though?
Oh,
Alright, you can just wait. I just want to look at those things that we're going camping.
that's right over there.
Well, I want to
I
look at
think
it.
the one I have reserved is...
I just want to look at it.
Hold on. No, we can't, because somebody's already staying there. At least there was a car sitting there when we walked by. That back one back there.
Oh, we got a porch.
Yep. Right
Yes.
back there.
That's where we're camping?
Where? Yeah. You can go right down to the water.
Oh, we can take Igor there.
Yep.
If he's too high. Don't matter if he doesn't want to, we're taking him there. I don't want him to go drawing on our stop.
Ready? So.
Hey, the squirrel!
Squirrel!
Let it chase after.
No, don't. Leave the poor thing alone. It's already got anxiety enough from just being born. Doesn't need an 8-year-old blonde-haired, blue-eyed child going.
I think we can have this like. I thought.
No, we're down here.
I thought we were parking there.
It's another parking lot for campers.
Okay, now we got vehicles.
It's just Ranger Mike.
So, let me guess. One of you go to church.
What?
I'm guessing one of them go to church. Just snore in the middle of the woods so loud that scared the bears.
You have to stop Scare the bear.
Oh, one time we were camping at Jake's Rocks. Well, there was a bee, like 10 bees chasing me. I was screaming. And that's why I screaming into the tent. That's how I got stung. It was about around my leg. And that hurts. Oh, it's gotta be hurt really bad. It was like a wasp bite. I wonder what they're doing. Okay, let's show you. Beach. Here goes a helicopter plane.
It does not that.
Oh, yeah, that is a plane.
Oh, okay.
Well, I thought that was a fire truck with a sign on. Let's head on the beach real quick.
No.
We can drive.
I don't know where we're gonna drive.
We can drive down there. Is that it for today?
I've always shown the beach another day.
Where we're leaving, Mom? Leaving? Okay, make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.